Oh look, it's a wonky board. Oh, that just won't do. What am I supposed to do with that? It looks like a Waney edge board, you know, like a slab of wood cut from a tree. Sometimes they have the bark on them too. So I get my straight edge. And what should I do? Oh, it's not straight. I know, I'll put a line across it. Maybe I could cut along that line. Oh, will that work? It would probably be wonky too. Oh dear. I know what I'll do. I'll get a sacrificial piece of wood. Oh, don't worry, I could use it again. And I'll set the fence to the width for that piece of wood. And I'll screw it to the edge of the Waney plank. Yeah. Oh, I think I know what I'm doing, do you? Oh. It's like it's got a new edge to run along the fence, a straight edge. Oh look, it's perfectly straight. Oh, that worked. What a brilliant idea. Oh, why don't you try it on your wonky piece of wood? Oh, look at that, bit of a jig. Oh, we got to do the jig. Oh yeah, thumbs up.